Hey everyone, welcome back to Rachel Ann Quilts, where we bring your creative ideas to life one stitch at a time. I'm Rachel Ann, and today we're diving into the essential skills of cutting sashing strips for your quilt. Sashing strips are the fabric pieces between your quilt blocks that help frame and define each block, giving your quilt a polished look. Here's what you'll need for cutting sashing strips: a rotary cutter, a quilting ruler, and a quilting mat. And of course, your sashing fabric. Make sure your fabric is pressed and wrinkle-free for the most accurate cuts. Now let's cut the sashing strips. We'll start by aligning the folded edge of the fabric on the cutting mat. Place your quilting ruler on the fabric, ensuring it's straight and aligned with the mat's grid lines. So you can see I have my cut edge is aligned as well as my folded edge is aligned. I'm cutting a common width sashing of 2.5 inches, but you can adjust this based on your quilt design. Once you've cut your strips to the right width, we'll cut them to the correct length. Remember, the length should match the size of your quilt block. Measure and cut each strip precisely for a perfect fit. And there you have it. Cutting sashing strips is simple and straightforward, but it makes a big difference in the overall look of your quilt. With accurately cut sashing, your quilt will come together beautifully, giving each block the attention it deserves. In our next video, we'll start assembling our quilt top. We'll talk about nesting seams, pressing, and adding borders. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out. Thanks for watching, and happy quilting. See you next time.